Okay, so today we worked on breaking down an area model. So like here where it's 5 times 2x, well 5 times 2 is 10, so this is 10x. And if you counted the little squares, there or the little rectangles, there'd be 10 of them. And then 5 times 4 is 20. So I can look at this as 5 times 2x plus 4, or I could look at it as 10x plus 20. They're exactly the same thing. And so, you know, it breaks it apart. And then the sum of two side lengths, that's what I was looking at on this one, or the sum of two areas, because you're going to have 5 times 2x, and then you're going to add that to the other side, which is 5 times 4. And both times you should get 10x plus 20. So here we go. So in this one, all the ones that are equivalent to 4b. Well, 4b is really b plus b plus b plus b. Oops, there's 4b's. And so that's the same as 2b's plus 2b's, or 4 total b's. So I've got this one, and the first one. But not b plus 4. There's no ones in there anywheres. And b times b times b times b would be b to the fourth power, not 4b. Different, different, different. Here we go. I've got t times 5, or 5t, and then t times 4, or 4t. I could add those together, and I get 9t. But it's also, if I added these guys together and multiply by t, it's also 9t. So not the first one, but the second one is definitely there, the third one, and the last one. Here we go. Same thing here. I've got a times 2, or 2a, a times 3, or 3a, and a times 4, or 4a. If I add all those together, I get 9a. That's the same as doing a times 2 plus 3 plus 4, because that's also 9a. And so both equal 9a. Next, we got to write this two different ways. So I could do that one. I could do 4, my cursor, 4 times the quantity 3a plus 2, or I could do 4 times 3a, which would be 12a, and 4 times 2, which is 8, and I just say 12a plus 8. 12a plus 8. Ooh, okay, we got lots of different things going on here. We're going to fill in this stuff. If I use like a 2 here, then I know that these ones would be bigger even numbers, and that would work. And so I just need to put little numbers over here, like 3 and 4. I can't use the 1, but everything else works. And there we go. And so 2 times 3x would be, so 2 times 3x plus 4 is the same as 6x plus 8. Next, Titus ant is, so if I say like A is the ant's age, T is Titus's, I'm going to have Titus's age plus 17. So 15 plus 17 is 32. 30 plus 17 is 47. And then this one would be x plus 17. Yep, okay. Next one. Okay, nice, easy. 10m equals 25. I divide both sides by 10. I get m equals 2.5. Or if you like fractions, you do 5 halves equals 2.5. There's all acceptable answers. Oh, come on. I divided both sides by 10. Here we go. Oh, it's another submit and explain. I've got 13.65 equals h plus 4.88. I subtract 4.88 from both sides. That doesn't work, that doesn't work, but if I borrow from the 13, make it a 12, this becomes a 16. I borrow from that, make it a 15, making that a 15. That's 7, 7, and 8. If I wanted to double check that, I would add 4.88. That's a 5, carry the 1, that's a 6, carry the 1, and that's a 13. So that checks. So my answer is 8. Explain, submit and explain. 0.77, submit. I subtracted 4.88 from both sides. Next. Oh, this one's not so bad. K, I know you see fractions and you kind of freak out, but equals 5 and 1/8. Well, 1/4 is the same as 2/8. And if I'm getting to 5 and 1/8, if I subtract 2/8 from both sides, subtract 2/8, I know that I'm going to have 4 and 7/8 left over. And then if I added 2/8 to that, I get back to 5 and 1/8. So let's see. 4 space 7/8. Submit and explain. I subtracted 2/8 from both sides. Submit, and let's see how I did. Yay, I got them all right. So if you have any questions, please ask in class. If not, I'll see you in the next video.